What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with The Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to give you my #1 tip for online success. Now, I've been working online, I've been working from home since 2006, okay? So that's, was that 13 years? And the one thing I can tell you with 100% certainty, the one reason why I'm successful is because I block out all the noise, all the outside noise, and I focus on one thing. Now, I have had times where I would try to do affiliate marketing with websites, and I'd run Facebook groups, and I'd do some drop shipping and a YouTube channel and social media posts and all this stuff. Okay, and it works and it's great. However, I have not seen the most success from doing all those things. I've seen the most success. I've seen the biggest bounds in my business. Okay, the biggest leaps, the biggest jumps. I've seen those when I focus on that one thing. Now, I just want to point out that having multiple businesses is an incredible idea. It's great, but you have to start with one. Just one business, that's all you need. Now, you don't need to do affiliate marketing on YouTube and do social media posts and do drop shipping and selling on eBay and Amazon and do consulting businesses and all this stuff. Yeah, you could, but if you just focus on affiliate marketing, just focus on Shopify drop shipping, just focus on your consulting business, focus on YouTube, focus on your social media, whatever it is, focus on one thing. Take the next 30 days. Okay, the next 30 days, focus on that one thing. It doesn't matter what it is. You could be creating your website. You could be creating a funnel. You could be creating YouTube videos for a client, or you could be doing freelance writing. Whatever it is, focus on that one thing, because the one thing that I have seen that has really propelled my business to that next level is anytime I focus on that one thing, whatever that one thing is. Again, it can be different for you, from me, from the next guy, from my neighbor, from my best friend, from my, a sibling. It doesn't have to be the same thing. Just understand, the more focus, the more attention that you give to that one business, the more it's gonna succeed. So if you wanna be successful in 2019, if you wanna be successful right now, okay, we're in, January, February, March, we are 3 months in, okay? I'm shooting this, it's March 31st, 2019, okay? We're already 3 months in. We're 1 quarter in, okay? We're 1/4 of the way done with 2019. And what have you accomplished? Have you made any money right now? Have you hit your goal of $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month, $25,000 per month? Have you done that yet? If you haven't, now's the time, starting April 1st. Figure out what that one thing is, focus on that one thing, spend the most time on that one thing, devote all your attention to that one thing, and I guarantee you, at the end of this month, you're going to see your business went from here, to here, to here, to here, and it's looking better than ever. So, if you guys have any questions on what you need to do to just focus, let me know. You can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. The one thing that I do is I have an actual journal, okay? It's a day-by-day journal. It's with an actual calendar, with a schedule. It's broken down day by day, and every single day I jot down what it is that I worked on, what it is that is most important for tomorrow, and what is my ultimate goal. If my ultimate goal ever changes, I will know because I will write it down. Okay? Have that in front of you. Put it on a sign. Stick it on your phone. Make a little little wallpaper, put it on your phone so you know what's the most important thing for you right now, this month, and what is it that you're going to accomplish. So again, if you have any questions, ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. I hope you're having a great weekend. Also, click that subscribe button so you don't miss any more of my videos, and click that notification bell so you don't miss anything. And I'll see you guys on the next one.